Hello, good morning students. How are you all today? Hope you all are well. So today I'm going to start the third chapter of your book, and chapter name is Tux Paint. So as the name indicating, you all can guess it. In this chapter we are going to learn about a painting software. Okay, so without waiting, let's start. Tux Paint is a painting software and it has many drawing and painting programs in it, and it has many creativity tool, funny animation and magical effect, which makes it one of the best drawing software. So here we can compare Tux Paint with MS Paint, because you all have worked on MS Paint in your previous class, so that's why I'm talking about MS Paint. In MS Paint also we have many tools for creating drawing, but if we will compare MS Paint and Tux Paint, so we will find a variety of tools in Tux Paint. Okay, there are many tools for creating animations, okay, for creating magical effects in our drawing. Okay, so let's know about some more unique features of Tux Paint. First is, and very important, it's a free software. The developer and designer of Tux Paint is Mr. Bill Kendrick. He is the developer of software. Okay, and this software has won many awards. Okay, and it's free. It means you can download this software on internet. Easily you can go to the website and you can download this software from internet. It will not cost. It has no cost. Okay, so where you have to go for downloading this software? Just go on www.tuxpaint.org. As you will open this website, so you will find the link for downloading Tux Paint. So from there you can download, and if you feel any difficulty, so you can call me. Okay, I will help you. Okay, now come to next point. Tux Paint has drawing mascot who helps you to know more about Tux Paint. Means in Tux Paint you will find many drawing tools, so it will let you know about more and more about Tux Paint. As you will click on one tool, so you will find some other tool inside it. You will find a variety of tools. Okay, a large variety of tool helps the children to bring out their best creativity design, because suppose you want to make a drawing, you have created the image in your mind that okay, मुझे ये बनाना है. Okay, I want mountains and I want trees and grass and these types of flowers in my drawings. Okay, suppose you have imagined, but if you didn't find that type of tool, so you cannot complete your imagination. You cannot draw your imagination, because if tools not will be there, so how you will draw that? But here you will find so many tools that you can draw your imagination as it is, and you can improve it. Okay, next point is we can add personalized stamp on our drawing once we finish it. Here what you can do, you can draw on different software. You can make a drawing in any other software, in Paint or in any other, and you can save those drawings as stamps in Tux Paint. Okay, and then you can use those pictures or those drawings as stamp. Like stamp लगा के हम लोग किसी भी चीज़ को ऐड कर सकते हैं ना ऊपर से. तो similarly in Tux Paint also you can use your pictures as stamps. Okay, and next point is funny sound effects are played when we select any tool. This is very interesting part of it. As you click on any tool, so it plays a funny sound in the background. Okay, so whenever you click on any option, so it plays a sound in the background, and we can load and save images directly as thumbnails, and there is no need to specify a file name. Thumbnails means किसी भी पिक्चर को, फाइल को व्यू करने के ना different kinds होते हैं. Means there are certain types of views, so thumbnail is one of them. One is icon view, second is large icon or thumbnail view. So in thumbnails view what happens, you can see your picture like this. Here you all can see na, so it's a thumbnail view in which you can see your picture as it is. and easily you can see and you can open your picture directly. And there is no need to specify a file name, because what happens whenever you create any drawing or any file in computer, so you have to save it, and at the time of saving you need to specify a file name. But here you do not need to give any file name. Okay, automatically it will save your file, it will save your drawing. Okay, so these all are the some features of TuxPaint. Now come to how to open TuxPaint if you have installed in your system. So how you will open TuxPaint, so let's know about it. First you will go on start button. As you all can see here, this window icon is called the start button. It is also called Windows button. So click on this Windows button or start button and then click on all programs. All programs, if you are using Windows 10, so you will find the option of all apps. So if you are using Windows 10, so click on all apps, or if you are using older version, so click on all programs. As you will click on all programs, so another list will appear here. So from this list you have to click on the TuxPaint folder. Here you all can see this TuxPaint folder. As you will click on this, so you will find the TuxPaint. Two TuxPaint option you will find here. One is for full screen and second is for window screen. So you can click on any of them, but I will suggest you to click on windowed option. Here the TuxPaint will open in a small window, but it's better for working. So click on the TuxPaint Windows option. As you will choose this option, so then you can see, first you will see this image, the welcome screen of TuxPaint, and then this window will appear. So this is our working area. Here we will be making drawings. Okay, so here you all can see these all are tools. Okay, so about all these I will explain in the next class, but for today what you need to know, how to open TuxPaint. So just revise it again. How we will open TuxPaint? First you have to download it, and second click on start button, click on all programs or all apps, then click on TuxPaint folder and then click on TuxPaint windowed option. So as you will click on this, so the TuxPaint welcome screen will appear, and then this window will appear where we will making our drawings. Okay, so that's all for today. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.